Good afternoon, everyone. This is James Romelli of KeyedOnTheMarket.com. I want to talk to you guys a little about managing a winning earnings trade I had on in Hasbro. So I got long Hasbro ahead of earnings because, for one, the daily chart is very, very strong. It was well above the cloud here, well above value for the month. The cloud sloped higher. Pretty much every metric you could look at on the cloud was very bullish. So I knew I wanted to get long. I also saw that Hasbro rallied way more often than it sold off on earnings. I believe it rallied something like 8 of the past 12 quarters. So I got long at the measured move target in Hasbro. I bought the 67 half 70 call spreads expiring in May. Okay, now I paid 63 cents for those. They ended up exploding higher today as the stock rallied over $8.27. I actually could have gotten much more aggressive with this and made even more money, but that spread went from 63 cents to $2.40 at the highs today. So it almost quadrupled in value here just over the weekend here on earnings. But I always had a defined downside risk of 63 cents. So what I did this morning was I came in and I sold half of my spread at $1.77. Now I could have gotten a much better price, but that was what the price was at right on the open. I wanted to manage some of the risk in the trade here. So now, since I've taken almost a triple on the first half of this spread, it doesn't really matter what happens between now and the end of May expiration. I'm still going to make money in this trade. However, at this level, the longer we sit here, the closer this moves to max value, and the closer I get to taking a huge, huge winner here on the second half of this position here, which will be better than a quadruple on my money here in Hasbro. Fantastic, fantastic setup. Love to see the stock up this much. Hopefully, I'll be able to get out at like 240 or 245 sometime over the next couple of weeks here and not carry the risk anymore. But a great trade here in Hasbro. Just goes to show you that trading with a plan can lead to results like this. Thanks, guys, and have a great evening.